which of the social networks should you use? Which social media are going to help you build your practice? Let's discuss. Welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met before, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers. Your time is valuable, so let's get started. This question comes to mind right now because I just read an update in one of the social media groups I'm in Facebook, and that was that this person whom I respect said, "I'm really loving LinkedIn lately. How about you guys?" And some people said, "Yes, I'm loving it too." Some other people said, "What do you love about it?" And another said, "I've loved it for a long time. It just seems to be really active lately." And I made two comments. My first one was, "I agree," because I do. My second one was this, that when you spend time interacting on any of the social media or social networking sites, they suddenly come alive, and I mean that. I have found that for my own business, my own practice, that when I just take the time to spend a few minutes actually interacting with people and sharing content and making comments and being genuine about what I'm saying to people, then all of a sudden there is more activity. And all of a sudden I think, oh, this is fun. And you know what? It is. Being in conversation with people and interacting with them is not just good for business, it's actually enjoyable, because a conversation with someone that is legitimate, that has something to do with something else they're discussing, or that is about a matter of the day, not necessarily anything that I'm sending out or that I'm posting or that I'm tweeting, but just some sort of news that's being discussed or some comment, is a very fruitful and a very rich experience. So before you jump on the next bright, shiny social network because somebody else tells you it's the network of the day, keep that in mind, that if you just take some time every now and then and interact with people, that social network is probably going to come alive for you, and you're going to have that feeling about them. Hopping around and doing that on every social network, all social media, before you've really built up a presence and a community on any one of them, will likely not be as fruitful as if you spend some meaningful time on any one for a while and then add another after that. Scott Stratton, you may or may not know of Unmarketing, when he first got started, and we go back a long way in this whole social media world, and he said that he spent a year on Twitter before he even added his second social network. And you know what? I don't know that you have to spend a year doing that, but I do encourage you to spend some time with people. Don't just post your content and move on, or broadcast it to everybody at once via automation and think that that is going to provide fruitful, because it likely won't. And then you'll be wondering, what good is social media? What good is digital media? What good is all of this? It's not helping me build my practice. So step back, take some time, interact with people, enjoy your time there. That doesn't mean you have to spend a half an hour on it at a time. It truly doesn't. I mean, if you want to do that, if you want to spend a half an hour, you go right ahead, but you don't have to. So my encouragement to you is make it meaningful. Be the one. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending a few of your legal marketing minutes with me. I'm Nancy Myrland. If you want to talk some more, my website is myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND, myrlandmarketing.com. Or on Twitter, I'm at Nancy Myrland, and same on Instagram and on Facebook. You can find me by searching for Nancy Myrland Marketing and Social Media. But I'd also like to invite you to join my Facebook group where we discuss issues like this. And if you go to Facebook, just search for Social Media for Lawyers and Legal Marketers with Nancy Myrland. All right, I'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.